Today is camping day. I will finally get to see the shooting stars. It's going to be super fun, Jose, and that meteor shower only happens once every 1,000 years. 1,000 years? Then I definitely can't miss the meteor shower for the world. Look at what I brought with me. Wow, that's incredible. Here's what I brought along for us. Ta-da! Wow! I'll leave it right here. Now we just have to wait to be able to watch the meteor shower in the sky. Oh no! There are too many clouds in the sky. I can't see anything. Don't worry, Jose. Let's go to the other side. There are no clouds there. Right on! That's it. Wow! So pretty. I can see them now. A meteor shower. I can't see anything. Where? Over there. Oh, Jose, those aren't stars. Those are fireflies. Oh, no. Let's go over there. All right, we have to run. I don't want to wait for another 1,000 years to see another meteor shower. This is a great spot. Look, everything's perfect. I like the campfire. What was that noise? Is it a bear? No, that was my belly. Can we eat marshmallows to help with my hunger? I'm going to look for them inside. Marshmallows, where are they? Ah, look at that. The meteor shower that only happens once every 1,000 years. The meteor shower! Jose! Jose! Run! Run! It's happening! What? The meteor shower? Oh no, it's almost over. Make a wish, Jose. What did you wish for? Ta-da!